In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp contact in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by understanding an important detail about Mailchimp's system. Mailchimp does not allow you to permanently delete a contact unless they are unsubscribed or non-subscribed. Instead, the platform provides an option to archive the contact, effectively removing them from your audience while ensuring your billing remains unaffected. This subtle distinction is crucial as it prevents the permanent loss of contacts without altering any billing metrics. Now, to delete a contact, let's go through the steps together. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience tab. This section is like the heart of your contact management system, where you see all of your subscribers and manage them accordingly. Next, click on All Contacts and select the specific audience you wish to manage. If you have multiple audiences, this helps keep your tasks organized and specific. To find the contact you wish to delete, you have two options. You can either type their details into the search bar or browse through the list until you locate the right contact. This flexibility allows for quick access, especially if you're dealing with a large number of contacts. Once you've found them, click on their name to open their profile, and you'll be taken to their detailed view. Within the profile section, take a look under the email marketing section. Here it's essential to ensure the contact status shows they are unsubscribed or non-subscribed. This is a critical step. Remember, Mailchimp requires this status before any permanent deletion can occur. After verifying the contact status, look for the Actions drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Delete Permanently option. This selection initiates the deletion process and helps keep your list clean and updated. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is essentially a safeguard to make sure you're entirely certain about wanting to delete the contact permanently. Go ahead and confirm the deletion, which will complete the process. And there you have it. Following these precise steps ensures that you're managing your Mailchimp contacts effectively and efficiently. Whether you're reshuffling your list for segmentation or simply cleaning it up, understanding how to properly delete contacts is vital for maintaining a streamlined and accurate database. Thank you for following along, and remember, having a well-managed contact list will greatly improve the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Mailchimp experience.